this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, floor mats, power door locks, dual zone climate control, convenience package, cloth seat trim, front bucket seats, tinted glass, trailering package. Come see the car for yourself.